today I am going to play M00n Rising from CCR. It's really fun. So my dad changed it to the key of G instead of key of F. So there is G and C and D. So there's a cool thing that goes first. It goes do 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 do, and then you start singing. So it starts with G, C, D, G. I see the C bad, D, moon, G rising. I see trouble, D on the G way. I see earth, D quakes and G lightning. I see bad, D times 2, G day. C don't go around tonight, puts G down to take your life. D there's a D there's a C hanging on the G rise. It's really, really, really fun. So I have a special guest to come in. So I'll be right back. Hi everybody, this is my dad and he is going to show you the chords for the guitars.
Okay. There's only 3 chords, just like this little guy showed you. And they're really easy to do. All they are G, C, and D. Okay? So, just those 3 chords. Let's sing the song, okay?
Okay. I see the bad moon rising. I see trouble on the way. I see earthquakes and lightning. I see bad times today. Don't go around tonight, it's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise.
Good job.
And that is it. You just practice those 3 chords, and you will be singing M00n Rising in no time. Have fun!